In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to make moi-moi. Moi-moi is a Nigerian food made from blended beans. Hi, my name is Esther and you are welcome to Good News Kitchen and Events. Here are the list of ingredients that we'll be using. I'll leave a link in the description box. To perfectly wash your beans, I also have a link in the description box on how to wash it. Here is the blended beans. Mix it very well, then add your vegetable oil, some seasoning, some salt to taste, and give it a very good stir. If it is too thick, you can go ahead and lighten it up with fish stock or water. This is the right consistency that I am going for. So here I have this white plate. I poured in my beans batter into it. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell now. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I also went ahead to use my muffin pan. You need to grease this with vegetable oil before you use it so that it will be easy to remove. I garnished it with egg and mackerel fish. So I just arranged this in a very big pot of boiling water and covered it up and allowed to cook. So guys, this is our moi-moi looking so nice and ready. You can eat this with bread, you can eat it with pap, you can take it with custard, or you can eat it alone. The choice is yours. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it. Check out these other videos here and here.